Job number J-2024-4387-2. We're accessing the sewer lateral through the front main cleanout of the building. We're sitting in the city main sewer at this moment, out in the road. Counter's at 71 feet. The stripe line on the top indicates that the city main sewer has had a liner installed at some point in the past. Passing back into the lateral, we can see some tree roots penetrating at the lateral connection to the city main sewer. Very minor root presence here at this footage, 68. Lateral here is 6-inch clay. Minor tree root at 62. More pressing concern is we have some significant fracturing. The downstream here starts at 58. You can see it on the bottom. As we pull back, you can see spiral fracturing on the top and sides, and a very large portion of the lateral is broken and missing on the bottom. So this is definitely a spot where solids will accumulate. Spiral fracturing continuing back to this joint at 56. More fracturing downstream end is at about 49 at this joint. As we come back from that joint, we can see the fracturing starting on the bottom. There's a crack there, and then the spiral fracturing starting on the top. This is another significant area of existing damage to the pipe from movement in the ground. We can see the pipe is ovaling a little bit. We also see a rip penetration happening there. Upstream end of this fracturing section, some 44 to 49, the other was 55 to 58. Very minor tree root here at 42. It's drained down some, but when water is flowing, it gets a little higher. Active pooling is happening here from about 31 on the downstream end. We can see the water sitting there in the pipe. We also see some fracturing here on the bottom and on the sides. Upstream end of the pooling is about 26 feet. So from 26 to 31 we have a pooling section. Change in size here at 15 feet. We go from a 6-inch clay to 4-inch. Very minor root presence at 11 feet. Also of note, we can see hanging into the drain possibly could be either a thicker grade of toilet paper or potentially towel or wet wipe, paper towel or wet wipe sitting in the drain pipe. Access is through the main front cleanout.